Repeat after me. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata. It means no worries.
Hi guys! Well, welcome to Tagalle beach. This is more in the east part of Sri Lanka, in the southern east part. So I'm gonna start hopping from the east to the west, and my plan is to rent a bicycle and just start hopping between beaches. So yeah, how excited!
You gotta put your past behind you. Look, kid. Bad things happen, and you can't do anything about it, right?
Right.
Wrong! When the world turns its back on you, you turn your back on them.
And today I rent a bicycle and I am just beach hopping. Look what I'm eating. This is heaven for me.
Well, that's not what I was told.
And maybe you need a new lesson. Repeat after me. Hakuna Matata.
What?
Hakuna Matata. It means no worries.
I just rented one of these ones in Secret Beach. It was so much fun. It's beautiful. It's really amazing. You can see lots of fish and it's really easy and it's very fun. I must have the marks. I don't know. It was so fun. So far, my favorite beach here in Mirissa. Wow guys, this rock is absolutely gorgeous. So cool. Look at these views. Come on. It's amazing. You can see like surfers and people snorkeling and just people getting tan. It's very cool and it's really easy to get here. Guys, I found some sharks over there. Do you see the shark? Both of them there? Whoa! So I'm here in Mirissa and I took a tuk-tuk, and you know tuk-tuks guys are the best because they can recommend you the cheapest but most typical corners to eat, so I came to this place. Koto, it's like roti. That roti is like this kind of bread that you have seen it in my videos from India, and they just cut it like with little pieces of vegetables or meat if you eat meat, and they just you will see the video, and it's that sound that it's in all of the typical places. You're gonna hear that sound. And I ordered hoppers. That hoppers is made with rice flour and coconut milk. That they're amazing. I love them. This thing, it's wow. Wow. And what is this school name?
Our school name is Park in Welligama.
Guys, I have been renting here my board, and today I use this one. I use it for the first time?
Yeah.
Woohoo! This one.
Beautiful.
It's a beautiful, super light, 8.6. Yeah, look at my size. I'm tiny.
Have a nice day.
Hey friends! Well, here I just get out of the water for surfing. I'm in Welligama, and guys, this is the perfect beach. I'm obsessed with surfing. Supposedly I was gonna use some of these days to know other beaches, but guys, the conditions for surfing for beginners is so amazing that I am just doing 2 sessions a day and just staying here. But I wanted to show you how it looks like, this beach in the sunset, because I have been in the water mostly all of the hours. As you probably are seeing, in my back was one of the most beautiful suns, huge one, so nice. So this is Welligama. We reached the fruit shop. Look at this beauty. You're gonna be surprised of all of the variety of fruits that Sri Lanka can offer. It's so amazing. To begin, guys, this is the best mango I ever tasted in my life. They have the jackfruit, which they serve it a lot cooked too. This is like the vegan protein. This is the first time I see this. This is egg fruit. Guys, 90% of the whole cinnamon produced in the world is here in Sri Lanka. And this beauty is one of them. It smells amazing. Coconut water time. Guys, look, this is organic Sri Lankan food center. It's in Welligama. But there's pitu. Pitu, I'm gonna show you. It's rice with coconut flour, and we eat it with coconut curry, right? Coconut curry. Yeah. What's your name? Ganga. Oh, like the river. So nice. So this is the pitu. It's rice with coconut and with coconut curry on top. It's super tasty. So guys, with this I finished the video of the southern province of Sri Lanka. It has been amazing, guys. This is such a cool spot to come here if you want to chill and just eat amazing food and drink beers and meet really cool people, local or foreigners, surf. It's amazing, guys. You can really feel the island vibe. To be honest, it reminds me a lot to Costa Rican vibe, especially in the beach. But well, just remember that every Monday I upload a new video, so please stay tuned. So guys, I Send you a lot of kisses from Sri Lanka. So take care.